Okay, we are doing 5.4, number 5. This question says, suppose theta is between pi over 2 and pi, and it gives us sine theta equals 2/3. So already, we know that this problem, we're going to be dealing in the second quadrant. There's 2/3. This is going to be our theta. So we already know that our second quadrant is going to give us negative cosine, positive sine. So we know that cosine theta squared plus sine theta squared equals 1. Go ahead and substitute 2/3 for our sine. It's going to give us 2/3 squared. Alrighty. Now we can go ahead and square this, giving us 4/9. Now we can go ahead and subtract this from this side, solving for cosine. Now 1 minus 4/9 is the same as saying 9/9 minus 4/9, which gives us positive 5/9. So cosine squared theta equals positive 5/9. Now taking the square root of this, it's going to give us two answers. There will be positive square root of 5/3 and negative root 5/3. Since we're dealing with the second quadrant, we know that our cosine values are negative, so we're going to be using this one. So down here, cosine theta equals negative 5 root 5/3. Alright, that's how we find our cosine. Now that we have our cosine, we can find our tangent. Tan theta equals sine theta over cosine. We must substitute these in. It's going to give us 2/3 over our cosine, root 5/3. Now multiplying by this, which is the same as 1, we're going to get 2 over negative root 5. Now we can keep going with this, multiply this by root 5, which is the same as 1, and that will give us our answer right here. So first we plug in what we know into the formula, solving for cosine, and using those two numbers we can find tangent.